Hey, what's up guys? In this video, I will be showcasing you how to set a custom ringtone on your Samsung Galaxy A37 5G. So let's get started. To begin with, the first thing which you need to do is to open up your settings. In here, you will find out sound and vibration. Tap on that. Now tap on ringtone. Galaxy A37 has the option to select different ringtone for each SIM card. Select the SIM for this tab. At present, the SIM one is selected. Now choose the ringtone from these preloaded tones if you want to set a custom song as a ringtone. Then tap on this plus sign. If you are using it for the very first time, then you should need to allow Sound Picker to access your media files. Here, you will find out all the media files which you can use as a ringtone. Select the tone and tap Done. Similarly, you can set a ringtone for SIM 2 by using the same method as the SIM 1. The ringtone will be set for the second SIM card. Finally, to change the notification sound on the Galaxy A37 5G, you need to open up your settings, sound and vibration, and tap on notification sound. Now choose the SIM you wish to assign the notification sound. Now from these preloaded tones, select the sound you like. Similarly, you can set notification sound for the other SIM card by selecting here. Now, in order to set for the custom notification sound, you see there is no plus icon here. For that, you need to open up My Files app, which is going to be available in this Samsung folder. Select the internal storage. After that, open up the folder where your music file is. Mine is right now in the download folder. Select the file by pressing on it. You will get this checkmark. Tap on copy, a menu will pop up, and then select the internal storage. And from this list of folders, tap on the notifications and paste the file here to make it as your notification sound. Now go back to the setting and then sound and vibration, tap on notification sound and choose the SIM card. Here you have a list of music in which you also see the music which you have added into the notification. Now select the particular music and tap on back button to make sure it is set to the notification sound. So guys, these are the simplest methods through which you can create a custom ringtone and a custom notification sound for Samsung Galaxy A37 5G. I hope this video will be helpful for you. If you have any question or query, comment down below. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Peace.